we are here today as part of the Michigan Assistive Technology Program, and we are a statewide program aimed at helping folks with all different kinds of disabilities to get hooked up with assistive technology to do the things that they want to do. So that can be anything from art to education to recreation. We have an outdoor recreation person, gaming and crafting, daily living. I find that a lot of people don't know that these things exist, right? So when you talk about assistive technology, a lot of people think about only computers, which is important, and we do some of that. But like we have crayons and things for mental health and things for cooking and life skills and just things so that you can have a full life and do the things that you want to do.
Oh, you like that?
One of the things that's really fun for me about working with the kids is everything that you show them, they're really excited about. I don't know if you've kind of seen the energy in the room today. They're really excited about everything. And also just for me, as the youth assistive technology specialist, I love anything to do with kids. So I get really excited anytime I see kids being really excited. And then just to let people know again, and to sort of normalize that it's okay for people to use these things and need these things and that they're available. Generally, what will happen with our program if folks need something is they'll call us and say, I need supports with A, B, C, whatever it might be. And then we will get them hooked up with the appropriate specialist based on what they're telling us they need help with. And we can talk through the options that we have. And if they want to try something, we can provide demos. We can come to folks to do those demos, or they can come to us, whatever works best. And then if they decide that they like something, we can loan it to them, most times on a short-term basis. But then if they need something longer term, we can work out that arrangement. And then at the end of the loan period, if they decide that they want to buy the device but financing is an issue, we can direct them to places that might be able to help them with financing too. So we try to have a little bit of something for everybody, again, just so that they can do the things that they want to do with their life.